안녕하세요. 와인의 오담당입니다. 오늘 읽을 책은 Hiccups입니다. People was having fun with Lee. They had a drink. Hic, said the keeper. He had hiccups. Quick, get a cup of water, said Lee. Did that get rid of the hiccups, said Lee. Hic, said the keeper. Hic. Drink it like this, said Beep. Did that get rid of them? Said Beep. Hic, said the keeper. Try hopping and panting your thumb, said Chip. Has that got rid of them? Said Chip. Hic, said the keeper. A shock will get rid of it, said Beep. Said Beep. Then, boo! You did it, said the keeper. You got rid of my hiccups. Hic, said Grandpa Chin. Hic. 오늘 읽을 책은 여기까지입니다. 모두 구독과 좋아요 꾹꾹 눌러주세요. 안녕!